Beachcomber jet broke. Can't get one part out.
Hello, how can I help you today? All spa manufacturers buy their jets from plastic manufacturers and then install them in their tubs, so the jet could be about anything. If you can post me a picture of it, I'm sure I can recognize it and walk you through it pretty easily. I've been doing spas for 32 years and have seen about everything out there. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay, I will take a picture and be right back. It is the back part of the jet that is stuck. The gray ring and actual jet blew out of it. Can I send it to an email? Won't let me copy and paste.
Yeah, just add it AOL.com to my screen name if you can't get it to post to chat.
So the email is xxxxx@xxxxxx. 30.
The system won't let us exchange any personal information, so everything you just typed is just a bunch of X's.
Okay. So how can I send the picture? I can send it by text.
So take my screen name poolguy810 then add at AOL.com to it, if that shows up on your screen.
Did that and sent the picture by email.
Okay, let me switch screens and take a look.
Okay. Thanks. I have a new jet to put in, just have to get the remainder of the old one out.
Yes, that's the back end of the jet that's still in there. Can you get it to rotate at all? To remove that jet it should turn counterclockwise a quarter turn then stop. If you force it past that stop point, it should disengage and pull out. It's not always that easy, but that's the way it's designed to come out. You sometimes have to use a pair of needlenose pliers, open them up as far as you can and then push them into the jet body and use them as a handle to rotate the broken piece out of there. If it's old and brittle, it may break apart on you, but that doesn't matter as it's coming out anyway. We just don't want to damage the jet body housing that holds it in.
Okay, we'll try that. I cannot get it to rotate at all at this point. Okay, we'll try that. Yes, some small parts have broke off and damaging the jet body is what I am worried about. Just wondering if I can spray some lubricant in there.
Water would work best. XXXXXXXXXX get gritty gunk in them that keeps them from rotating, many times just calcium buildup from hard water, so either just water on them or even something like CRL, I think it is, that might be the wrong letters, but you use it to remove hard water deposits on faucets etc. The jet body is much more durable than the jet insert, so it's hard to damage it, but basically that last piece you have in there is held in by two little nipples on either side of it that are under that lip around the jet body, so if you can break away the closest edge to you of the jet insert, the rest of it will slide right out.
Okay, thanks. I have this jigaloo stuff. I will try CLR first.
Obviously if you already have the new jet, you can see the tabs I'm referring to on the new one. Yeah, lol, CLR, calcium lime remover, that's it.
Okay, thanks. I was looking at the new jet and see the two little nipples you are referring to. I did try to break them off. We'll try again. Haha. And I have no idea what I am doing. Lol.
Once they're gone, there's nothing else holding it in there except maybe calcium deposits, but many times I just start snapping pieces off until it comes out. Neither did I the first time I removed one about 20 years ago, but lots of practice since then.
Sounds good. Heading out to do that. If I am unsuccessful, can I leave the hot tub empty overnight? It's outside. Could be -8 degrees. Just wondering if I should fill it up, heat the water and empty it out again to try again.
If you have one, here's what I normally do. If the spa is empty and you have one of those little portable electric bedroom heaters, like a cube shape usually, just put a board or brick in the bottom of the spa so the heater's not sitting on the shell. Turn the heater on and close the lid. It will keep all of the pipes and water in them warm enough not to freeze on you. If you don't have one, and it's getting that cold, then yes, unfortunately I'd fill it back up to circulate. Freeze damage is way worse to fix than a broken jet insert.
Awesome, thank you. I do have one of those heaters. We'll do that only if I am unsuccessful. I worry about refilling as I find without the jet the hot tub leaks.
That shouldn't be the case though. The jet body that's still in the shell is what seals the water in. The jet insert can be removed and installed with water in the tub normally with no water loss, as it doesn't have anything to do with the water seal to the tub.
Okay. Wish me luck and thanks so much. You have been very helpful.
Not a problem. Good luck, and just come back to the question if you still need help. I'll be on and off tonight or anytime tomorrow evening. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay. Thanks so much.
No problem. Thanks, Jeff.
Haha. Worked. Needle nose pliers, that was the trick. Thanks so much, Jeff. Sincerely, Anne.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.